Hi there, are you curious about how fufu is made or you're just passing by and you thought to check out this video? Well, you're going to enjoy this because it's an interesting one. So come with me. This is the cassava we harvested from my mom's very tiny farm. It's a lot, and yeah, so we decided to make fufu with this. And the people who helped us harvest it also helped us with the peeling, and then we put this in bowls. So you might be wondering why this video is shaky. Well, I traveled back home and the only tripod I came home with spoiled while I was filming a fear recipe. But yeah, that's fine. So I had a lot of I had a lot of shaky hands helping me film this, so just manage it as it is, okay? Well, we went ahead to wash the cassava and then we put this in buckets, in coolers, and let it sit for 2 days. Well, this was the second day, and we went ahead to sieve it. So, for the sieving, we put water in a bowl and then using a sieve, we just tried to how do I put this now? Well, we just tried to melt and just sieve as much as we could and then disposed the chaff from the cassava. Just like so, like the way you see it on the screen. And we had to change the sieves because that one was too slow. It wasn't doing anything. So we had to change to some smaller ones. And this was really sweet to do. And as you can see, we are doing this late in the evening. We just got back from church and we were so excited. So we just decided to start doing that. So after that, we put it in a bag. You want to put it in a bag that like a rice or gari bag that will take out water, and then we just left it there till the next morning. And look at that. The whole process was very interesting and we did it as a family. So it was a good time for us to bond. So this is what it looked like. Now, this is where things get very interesting. This is just me washing the mortar in preparation for this fufu because I was ready. I was so ready to pound this fufu. So after we took out the cassava from the bags, what we did was to roll it into big balls and then put it in a pot of boiling water. And after it boiled for about 10-15 minutes, we did the first round of pounding. This first round was an epic fail, which was partly our fault because the cassava wasn't properly dried of water or wasn't properly drained of water. And we went ahead to do the rolling and everything. So it was really soggy. This first one was terribly soggy. See me adding a yellow gari to this. So normally people who make this would add white gari so it can be firm and not be too soft. But we didn't have white Gary, so we had to make do with yellow Gary. But as I'm making this voice over, we've given that out because it wasn't giving. It wasn't okay. Well, we realized our mistake and we had to squeeze so much water out of the remaining one, and then we went ahead to pound it. And yeah, also underestimated the quantity of cassava we were working with, but at the end of the day, everything was so good. Look at me enjoying my with egusi. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.